Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about different form of straight line, that is type number 2 and type number 3. Type number 2 is slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c. Whereas type number 3, that is slope of line joining 2 points. Now today we will discuss remaining types. Now here type number 4, that is 2-point form. Nodri, 2-point form. Now here the question, find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of line. Equation of line passing through the points, 2 points. In general, say x1 y1 and x2 y2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್? y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1, that is slow 1 point form. ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಆ ಲೈನು y axis ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ what is its equation? y is equal to mx plus c. ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು join AB, then what is its slope? 2 points are given. Now to find the slope of line AB, what is that? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4, ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ what is its equation? Find the equation of line passing through 2 points. Look here, let consider x and y axis, horizontal line and vertical line. This is origin. If a straight line passes through the point, say A is a point x1 y1, B be a point x2 y2. This is a line L. ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ 2-point form. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ 2-point form. ಅವ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಪಿ ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ವೈ, ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸೇ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು A is a point x1 y1, A be a point x1 y1 and P be a point x comma y. This is one part. Another part, given A is a point x1 y1 and B be a point x2 y2. Right? Now here A be a point x1 y1, P be a point x comma y. Now to find the slope, as you know that what is slope of line AP using 1-point form? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ AP using 1-point formula, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Similarly, A is a point x1 y1, B be a point x2 y2. Using 2 point, what is slope of line joining 2 point? That is type number 3. What is the formula? You know, what is that? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Using 1 point, slope of line AP is y minus y1 by x minus x1. Again, using 2 point, its slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now observe the diagram clearly. Since the points, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು, the points A, P, B lies on a same line, lies on a line. 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದವು. These 3 points lies on a same line, that is known as collinear. All the points lies on a same straight line, that is known as collinear, as well as parallel, because every line is parallel to itself. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ collinear. All 3 points lies on a same line, that is parallel, Therefore, lies on a same line means collinear. Therefore, if as you know that if the lines are parallel or collinear, you know the condition. If two lines are parallel, condition, slope of two slopes are equal. What are slopes? Slope of line AP is equal to slope of line AB. Correct? What is slope of line AP? Y minus y1 by x minus x1. What is slope of line AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This represents equation of line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Nodri left side aste ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is 1 point form slope. Right side value ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 point form slope. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ that is 2 point form. Remember the formula, equation of line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by the formula y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is known as, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, this is known as 2 point form. 2 point form. x1 y1 x2 y2 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 2 point. Only x1 y1 is given 1 point. Clear students? Okay. So remember, equation of straight line passing through 2 points is given by the formula y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This equation is known as 2 point form. Left side part istೇ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 1 point form slope. Right side value ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 point form slope. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ type number 4 2 point form. Okay, based on this to solve the problems. Now here find the equation of line passing through the point. They may be asking final exam. First one 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5. Second one minus 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 4. Very simple, but remember that formula. Now first one, given data, A is a point 1 comma minus 1, B be a point 3 comma 5, right, denoted by x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Now to find the equation of line, equation of line AB, how many points are passing? 2 points. What is the formula? Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substituting the value, y minus y1 value minus 1 by x minus x1 is 1, y2 value 5 minus y1 is minus 1 divided by x2 value 3 minus x1 is 1. Simplify, y minus into minus plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 5 minus into minus plus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Rearrange, simplify, y plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 6 by 2, that is 2 1s are 2 3s are, so that y plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 3 by 1, right? Cross multiply, 3 into x 3x, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to y plus 1. Now take equal sign on right side, minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Rearrange, 3x minus y minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. This represent equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, similarly second one, given data, A is a point minus 1 comma 1, B be a point 2 minus 4. This is x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Therefore equation, short form EQN means equation of line AB using 2-point formula. Remember that formula? Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Implies y minus y1 value 1, x minus x1 is minus 1 is equal to y2 minus 4 minus y1 is 1, x2 is 2 minus x1 is minus 1. Implies y minus 1 by x minus into minus plus 1 is equal to minus 4 minus 1 divided by 2 minus into minus plus 1. Simplify y minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to minus 5 divided by 3. Cross multiply minus 5 into x minus 5x minus 5 into 1 minus 5, 3 into y 3y minus 3. Rearrange minus 5x minus 5 minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0, or minus 5x minus 3y minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0, or multiply by minus sign plus 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. ಎಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ plus 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This represent equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, whereas another example, 3 points. Second problem, problem number 2, 3 points. Say P be a point h comma k, Q be a point x1 y1, and R be a point, very simple question, x2 y2. Lie on a line, show that its equation, the equation is h minus x1 into y2 minus y1 is equal to k minus y1 into x2 minus x1. Very simple problem. Okay, so 3 points are lies on a same line, then show that the equation h minus x1 into y2 minus y1 is equal to k minus y1 into x2 minus x1. Look here, given 3 points are given, P be a point h comma k, Q be a point x1 y1, R be a point x2 y2. Okay, now since given 3 points, the points P, Q, R lies on a line means collinear. All the points lies on a same line, that is known as collinear or parallel. As you know that the lines are parallel condition, slopes are equal, therefore slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line QR or PR. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ತೋಡ್ರಿ, slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line QR. Now here P be a point, say x1 y1, called as x1 y1, Q be a point x1 y1 denoted by x2 y2. We got 2 points, you know the formula, slope of line joining 2 points, type number 3. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to again slope of line QR. Q is a point x1 y1, R be a point x2 y2. Slope is again y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Right? Substituting the values. What is y2? Y2 value is y1 minus y1 is k. x2 x1 minus x1 is h is equal to, this is as it is, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Right? Cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this implies x1 minus h, or if you take interchange those two. y1 minus k is same as we can write minus of k minus y1. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ. Similarly, x1 minus h is same as minus of x minus x1. Both are same. Bracket open ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Minus h is there. Minus into minus plus x1. Minus k, yes. Minus into minus plus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So minus into minus plus, that minus minus cancel, cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ h minus x1 into y2 minus y1, correcta? H minus x1 into y2 minus y1 is equal to another cross multiplication in the k minus y1 into x2 minus x1. This is required equation of line. These 3 points lies on a same line, then its equation is h minus x1 into y2 minus y1 is equal to k minus y1 into x2 minus x1. Okay. So another problem number 3, similar problem. A line passes through x1 y1 and h comma k if slope of line is m. Show that its equation, the equation is k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. Very simple 2 mark question. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, a line passes through the point x1 y1 h comma k. Given data, say a is a point x1 y1, b be a point h comma k. ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ m and slope of line AB is equal to m. That is given. Using this to prove that its equation is k minus y1 is equal to m of h minus x1. Okay. Now slope of line AB is m. Here A is a point x1 y1, B be a point h comma k. Call it as x2 y2. How many points are there? 2 points. You know the formula. Type number 3. What is slope of line joining 2 points? What is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to m. Right? Now this implies substituting the value. What is y2? y2 value k. y1 is as it is y1. x2 value is h minus x1 is equal to m. Right? ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. Cross multiply. Therefore k minus y1 is equal to cross multiply m into bracket h minus x1. A line passes through 2 points x1 y1 and h comma k and slope of line is m. Using this to prove that its equation is k minus y1 is equal to m of h minus x1. 2 mark question. A is a point x1 y1, b be a point h comma k, call it as x2 y2, and given slope of line AB is given m, but slope of line AB using 2 point, slope of line joining 2 points, type number 3. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to m, but y2 value is k minus y1 as it is divided by x2 value is h minus x1 is equal to m. Cross multiply k minus y1 is equal to m into bracket h minus x1. Is there? Yes, that is 2 mark. Very simple problem. Clear, students? Similarly, another problem. This problem, say problem number 4. If 3 points h comma 0, a comma b and 0 comma k lie on a line, show that its equation is a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. No, again similar to problem number 3. Third problem ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ same type. A line, problem number 2, a line passes through 3 points. These three are now, that is problem number 2. 3 points p q r lies on a same line, same concept. Now here 3 points, given data, 3 points, say point A h comma 0 and B be a point A comma B and C be a point 0 comma K. These 3 points lies on a line. Lies on a line means collinear. Definition of collinear: all the points lies on a same line. 3 points ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? collinear or parallel. Okay, now these 3 points lies on a same line, that is known as collinear. Then show that its equation is a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. Now to find slope, now slope of line AB, this is called it as x1 y1, that is called it as x2 y2. How many points are there? 2 points. By using type number 3, slope of line joining 2 points, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substituting the value, what is y2? B, y1 0 divided by x2 a minus x1 is h, b minus 0 b divided by a minus h. This is slope of line AB. Similarly, to find slope of line BC, slope of line BC, again B be a point, say x1 y1, C be a point called as x2 y2. Slope of line BC, again 2 point. What is the formula? Same, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is, substituting the value, y2 value k minus y1 is here b, x2 value is 0 minus x1 is a. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ x1 y1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇದು x2 y2. y2 minus y1 k minus b divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a. That is k minus b divided by minus a. Correct? K minus b divided by minus a. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, since the points lies on a same line, since the points, 3 points, say A, B, C, lie on a line, it means all the points lies on a same line, means that is collinear. Collinear is same as parallel. As you know that if 2 lines are parallel, condition slopes are equal, that is slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC. ಯಾಕೆ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದವು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಹೌದಾ? ದೆನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. What is slope of line AB? B divided by A minus H. What is slope of line BC? K minus B divided by minus A. Okay? Then simplify. Cross multiply A minus H into K minus B is equal to minus AB. Now multiply A into K, AK. A into minus B, minus AB. Minus H into K, minus HK. Minus into minus, plus HB. Take equal on right side. Minus into minus plus AB is equal to 0. ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A into K, AK. A into minus B, minus AB. Minus H into K, minus HK. Minus into minus plus H into B, HB. Take equal on right side. Minus into minus plus AB is equal to 0. Now here minus AB plus AB cancel. ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಕೆ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಎಚ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಎಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟು ಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ, ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಎಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. Therefore, remaining value a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. Is there? Yes. So its equation is a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. Clear, students? Then one more problem in this type, that is problem number 5. So problem number 5, find the value of x for which the points x comma minus 1, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 5 are collinear. These 3 points are collinear. Then to find the value of x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is the value of x? Very simple. Solution: given a is a point x comma minus 1, b be a point 2 comma 1 and c be a point 4 comma 5. These 3 points lies on a same line, that is known as collinear. Now first to find slope. What is slope of line AB? Slope of line AB is, what is the formula? This is, call it as x1 y1, that is call it as x2 y2. Using 2 point type number 3, slope of line joining 2 points y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is equal to, what is y2 value? Substitute 1, y1 is minus 1, x2 value is 2, minus x1 value is x, that is 1, minus into minus plus 1, 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2 minus x. This is slope of line AB. Similarly, to find slope of line BC, slope of line BC, again using 2 point formula, you know, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Using 2 point, its slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. B and C, B be a point, call it as x1 y1, C be a point, call it as x2 y2. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ x1 y1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ x2 y2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Substituting the value, what is y2? y2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5, minus y1 is 1, x2 value 4, minus x1 is 2, 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 by 2 is nothing but 2, 2 ones are 2 2s, right? Since ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, since the points PTS, short form points A, B, C are collinear. Collinear is nothing but lies on a line. Collinear is same as parallel. If the lines are parallel, condition, slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC. Slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC. Substituting the value. ಈಗ value substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this implies, what is slope of line AB? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ slope of line AB? 2 divided by 2 minus x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Slope of line BC ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? BC y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 after simplification, that is 2, right? Simplify. Cross multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into x, 2x is equal to 2. Implies minus 2x is equal to 2 plus 4 goes to right side. ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus 4. So minus 2x is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2. Divide by minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. That is x is equal to 1. X value is 1. When ಯಾವಾಗ the points are collinear. ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is the value of x? X value is 1. ನೀವು x value 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. x value 1 ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೇಕ್ x equal to 1. x value 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, 1 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. 2 minus 1 1. 2 by 1 2. ಇದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ based on type number 4, that is 2.4. Clear students? Okay, correct ಆಗಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 1.4. what is its equation? Remember, y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Type number 2, slope intercept form. What is slope intercept form of line? Y is equal to mx plus c. Suppose a line passing through the origin, its equation is y is equal to mx. This is type number 2. Type number 3, slope of line joining 2 points. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು a point x1 y1, b point x2 y2 join ab. What is its slope? Its slope is, remember, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Type number 4, 2-point form. Now to find the equation of line, straight line passing through 2 points, say x1 y1 and x2 y2, is given by the formula, 2-point formula, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is 2-point form. Okay, now two more types, namely intercept form and normal form, we will discuss next class. Okay students, thank you.